Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm in an interesting and special place today to highlight something that is very important to the Arboretum. I'm about 10 minutes away from the Dallas Arboretum property. This is the Tom and Phyllis McCasland Horticulture Center. This is our factory for plants, if you will. It's a wonderful facility where we can grow the things that make the Arboretum look great. So let's go take a look. This is a series of greenhouse ranges, and the way we keep it cool is we have a cooling pad system over here on my right. Through that corrugated cardboard, water trickles through, and as the air is pulled through by the fans pulling the air out of the greenhouse on that end, it'll cool. We also have these overhead screens that are automatic. It'll open it up and actually provide some little bit light shading for the plants down below. Believe it or not, it can be too intense for even though those plants here in the greenhouse. But in most cases, everything starts with what you see right here. These little seed trays. So we drop a seed of each variety of whatever it is we're growing into these little corrugated trays. Typically it's like could be up to 100 of these little plug trays. And as the seeds germinate and grow and get to the right size, they can pull those out and step them up to a bigger size container. In fact, sometimes we get plants sent to us already in the plug phase. You see a whole lot of different varieties here. Let me just pull one out so you can see here, a little coleus that's growing in this plug, and then that'll step up to a 4-inch or a 1-quart size pot. It'll grow out, and then that's the size that we then can plant. A lot of the plant material that's growing in the greenhouse right now is for our summer planting for the Arboretum. All the things that you'll see through the summer that'll even take us into the fall are growing here. A lot of them still in this plug size, slowly moving up to the right size. A lot of times when the plants get a little bigger here in the greenhouse, they'll move them out to the outside. There's a mat where they can stay them out, where they can really, we call it hardening off, where they get full sun. They can continue to grow there until they're ready to go and be planted in the garden. Let's keep taking a look now. For the food for the plants, there's a liquid type system. You may have used some liquid fertilizer at home before, put it on your house plants or even in your home garden. It's a similar type of system here, so when we water, we actually have a little bit of fertilizer in that water. Not every watering, but very often, will allow the plant to grow really rapidly and quickly. We'll produce probably over 1 million plants in a year in this greenhouse. It goes to help keep the Arboretum planted season by season. Here's one I can't wait to see go in. This beautiful red coleus here. This one is actually Main Street, Beale Street. Isn't it pretty? And this is going to be stunning. You can see just in mass, and these will get quite large. So this one will be definitely part of our beautiful summer exhibition of plants. So as you can see, this is a great facility. We can grow our plants. We thank Tom and Phyllis McCasland for making this possible for us to have this for the Arboretum. And stay tuned, we'll have many more videos to come. Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum.